So guys, after a long time, we are going to unbox a cube. So let's get started. So I ordered the QiYi MS 2x2 cube in the stickerless version. So let's open this up. This is the QiYi cube. Let's keep it aside. This is the foam and many foams. And there's a stand, orange stand, and let's keep this up. And a bill. And that's for this unboxing. And let's check out the cube. So seeing the box they're giving here, you can see the black base and stickerless, and the cube itself, QiYi toys, and the matte walls. Sorry, matte walls. Yes, it's right here. And let's open it up. So I don't know where to start, and let's cut here. Hey. There is a plastic. Probably. I hope. No. And that's it. And let's open this up. Yeah, we got a cube itself. So oh my gosh. So we got the cube and pamphlet itself. Nice box, nice plastic box. And this is the pamphlet. So all the 2x2 and wait. And guys, this is my first 2x2 ever. And let's check it out, and that's it. Let's open this up. Let's keep it here. This looks nice. Let's open this. I want the help of this guy. I was really curious to unbox this cube, and let's wait and watch. Yeah, we got a QiYi MS cube. And looking at the internals, oh my gosh, this is really smooth and a bit greasy outside. This is my first 2x2 I have purchased, and let's do some turns. And this performs really well. Let's check the corner cutting, reverse corner cutting, slightly paused away, and corner cutting. And this performs really nice. This cube is so greasy, so I'll back right. So I cleaned the greases, and the magnets of this cube are a bit strong. It's medium strength, so I scrambled this on, and there's a solve here, and let's try to solve it. So I don't know what the case is this. So I actually messed up with this. And this is a nice cube. This cube feels a bit bumpy feel inside. Okay, I can turning. I can do U2 easily. Actually it's U3. I actually like this package. Easy carrying box. And you can keep the cube inside and close it up and take wherever you want. and this is a stand, and you can see there are double magnets inside. I can show you that. Magnets inside. Oh, you can tell this is my first 2x2 ever. So looking on its shades, so it looks a bit semi-glossy, a bit matte finish on outside, so this feels a bit stable and the shades are pretty decent. And going into the specs, it's 50mm and it weighs 57 grams and it costs $7 or 499 rupees, and that's its specs. And this cube has twin magnets inside, and so this cube feels really stable, a bit controllable. Yes, it's really stable, and I definitely recommend this cube for beginner 2x2 solver and to nearly advanced solvers. It's definitely worth your money, trust me. And that's for this video, and I see you guys in the next one.